Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for May 26th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair closed down today, did break our inside bar breakout. It did push lower. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 82.48 in this next session, possibly as low as 80.45. Look for some resistance around 81.75 and look for some support around 80.95. Okay, now looking at the Euro USD, we have this pair closed higher, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 142.79, possibly as low as 139.97. Look for some resistance around 142.50 and look for some support around 140.50. Now looking at the pound US dollar pair, this pair surged to the upside, almost closed on its low. Closed on its high. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 165.41, possibly as low as 161.98. Look for some resistance around 165.15 and look for some support around 162.60. Now the US Swiss, it surged down, pulled back just a little bit prior to the close. We are looking for this pair to potentially go as high as 0.878 on a pullback, possibly as low as 0.8555. Look for some resistance around 0.8705 and look for some support around 0.8600. Now, as far as news announcements go for tomorrow, we have the German CPI being released for May. Of course, that will impact the euro. Consensus is showing that it has dropped just a little bit from 2.4% to 2.3%. No time is given on this, by the way. Year to date, they're showing a hold at 2.7%. All right, well, what am I looking for during this next session? We are going into Friday, so what am I looking for? If you drop to the 4-hour time frame, let's take a look at some stuff here. We have a strong bar that moved to the downside. Overall, this pair moved to the downside during this last session. Now I'm looking for a break to the upside, basically looking to buy at 81.44, looking for it to fill this window here and move up to 81.65 and then exit. Looking to grab those pips in between, about 21 or so pips, 22, 21 pips there, using a risk to reward of 1-to-1. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.